our gummy eyeballs and we're going to eat them. You are?
Yeah, they're delicious.
Hey guys, so we're going to use these gummy eyeballs to blind ourselves, and we're going to see who flies our kites the highest. Yep.
Now let's put on these gummy eyeballs. They're creepy.
Yeah. Okay.
I can't see nothing.
Oh my gosh.
I bet I look like it, but my eye sockets were coming out.
Oh, you remind me of that one guy.
I see nothing but like the colors of the cardboard. Ah! And my eyelashes.
So let's see who can fly him the highest. So right now, Ariyah, your kite's up. All right, Aniyah. It's about to go up right now. Your mom's about to help you? Oh, there you go. Okay, let's see who can get him the highest.
Alright, here we go. Is mine up in the air?
It is.
Oh my god, did I use the
I think Aniyah's might be higher.
Get me my eyeballs.
So that one got away.
Man, they either like take a nosedive straight down.
So who's winning, guys? Can you see him? It might be. It's really close. I can't tell. Who's higher? Close.
Thank you so much.
you.
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold it down. So as you guys can see in the video, I was singing, and that's actually my hidden talent. I have tons of hidden talents, and one of them is singing, and I really love to sing. And what I want to be in the future is a singer, a really good singer. I always wanted to be a singer. That's my favorite thing to do all the time.
Go ahead.
You think so?
Yeah, for sure. We're gonna make a hole into your head.
But what if I catch the kite as it's coming down?
You never know.
That means you have good reflexes.
We're going to be doing a part 2 where we're going to be carrying the rope of this kite, and we will see, and we will be giving you guys a part 3, and we will be letting you guys know if my purple kite will come back. I wonder what would happen if it hit your head. I'm pretty sure it'll make a dent into your head or make it like a cut in half or something. You never know. You never know if you get shot on the hip. If you got shot on the hip.
I'm literally pulling my kite up and down.
Oh no!
That was a close one.
I'm pulling my kite up and down.
Wait, why am I so close? Mine's literally in one place. Oh, I didn't see it. I thought you were talking about like.
Never hold it like this if you have one string, or else this what will happen. Ow.
Alright. Are you ready? Alright. 3, 2. Alright, we're gonna sing that. Let's sing on it. Alright. 3, 2, 1. You ready to start now? Here's our gummy eyeballs, and we're going to eat them. They are delicious. Oh my god. These, they look so squishy. And a little bit teether with the green.